Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then hi, my name is Borsha and thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I am going to create this look right here. This is a black smoky eye which you can create with minimal effort, and also you can pair this look with any outfit you want. You can pair it with a sari or a salwar suit. You just need to add a bindi. This is a very versatile makeup look. And I am trying new looks in my channel. You can subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these videos, and also press the bell notification button right next to it so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. So now without any further ado, let's get started. ओके सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विथ टुडेज मेकअप। तो मैंने अभी फेस वॉश करके आया है और अभी मुझे अप्लाई करना है मॉइस्चराइज़र। सो फॉर द मॉइस्चराइज़र आई एम यूजिंग मामा अर्थ एप्पल साइडर विनेगर मॉइस्चराइज़र। इट इज़ अ वेरी थिक मॉइस्चराइज़र, सो ऑल यू नीड इज़ अ लिटिल अमाउंट एंड आई एम गोना रब दिस बिटवीन माई फिंगर्स and then I'll apply this. Okay, so now we are done applying the moisturizer, and now I will wait for 5 minutes and then we will move on to the next step. Okay, so for the primer today I am using an aloe vera gel, क्योंकि मेरे फेस पे बहुत ज़्यादा पोर्स नहीं हैं और अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज करने के बाद मुझे प्राइमर की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. बट फॉर अ स्टिकी बेस आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ एलोवेरा जेल, एंड द एलोवेरा जेल आई एम यूजिंग इज़ the Face Shop's aloe vera gel. You can use whatever aloe vera gel you have. I'll take a very little amount and then spread it across my face. And then again we will wait for 5 minutes and we will move on to the next step. Okay, so now it's been 5 minutes and now we can move on to our foundation. So for the foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 320 Natural Tan. And then I'll apply it all over my face. This foundation is not so full coverage. It has medium to light coverage. However, you can build this up applying 2 or 3 layers of it, but I don't enjoy very full coverage foundation. And now I will blend my foundation using a damp sponge. You have to bounce the foundation on your face and blend it in. Don't drag the sponge, it will remove the foundation. So the foundation is on and now we will move to our concealer. So I don't have a lot of dark circles, but I do have some dark spots here and there. I will conceal them with it, and I will also apply this on the all high points of my face, which is underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, cupid bows, chin, and also temples. So I forgot to tell, this is the Swiss Beauty concealer. This is very cheap, but it has a beautiful coverage. You can definitely try it out. So I'll again use the damp sponge and blend all of this. But wherever I have any dark spots, I will let the concealer sit for a while. Till then I'll blend all of this. And now I will blend this. Actually what happens when you let that concealer sit for a while is that the coverage increased a bit, so I need a bit of extra coverage there, so I let it sit for a while. Okay, so the concealer is on. Now we will move on to the blush. So I have this peachy lipstick. It's from Mars. I have bought it from a local store, and the color is very peachy sort of a color, so I like it as my blush. So I'm using it as a blush now because it is cream product, so I am using it before setting my face with a powder. And now I will blend it using my fingers only. And now I will take my sponge again and blend all of this together. Okay, so the blush is done as well. Now I will set my face using a powder. So this is the powder I'm using. This is Savannah Color pressed powder. This is mainly a palette which has blushes, powder and also contour. Now I will set my face using this fluffy brush. And I am focusing under my eyes because I have applied concealer there, so it might crease. So with this, my base is almost done. The only thing is left is my contouring. So I'm going to contour my face using a color from my palette only. This is the warm brown color, which will definitely go very well with my complexion. Okay, I'm taking an angular brush and dusting off the excess. And now I'll start contouring my face from here. Don't apply it here directly, start it from your sideburns. It will look more natural and the more product will be there, so you can blend it in. Okay, so with this my base is all done, and now we will move on to our eyebrows. And I will fill my brows with the same palette from which I have done my contouring. So you can definitely bought a palette which has a lot of shade so that you can use it for your highlighter, for your contouring, for your blush. Because my eyebrows are very dark, so I will use a cool tone brown and I'll mix it with the black and then use it on my eyebrows. So the colors I'm going to use are this brown right here and the black. Okay, so the brows are on and now we will move to our eye makeup. So I'm going to do a black smoky eye look. So for that I will apply the kohl pencil on the eyelids. You don't need to be precise with it because anyway you're going to blend it in. So for that I am taking a fluffy shader brush and I will pick this black color from the palette and will blend this color. You have to be very patient with it because you need a lot of time to blend, and blending is the key. If you don't blend, it will not look flattering at all. I am just moving my brush inwards and outward and blending this. So it is looking something like this. And now I will take another fluffy brush and I'll pick this warm brown color and apply this on the crease, blending these harsh lines. So now this is looking something like this. And now we will take the kohl pencil again and use it as an eyeliner, but a normal eyeliner, not a wing one. And again I will smudge the kohl pencil just to intensify the eyelids a bit more. And also when you're doing a black smoky eyes, you have to remember that you don't need to take this color to the inner corner, otherwise it will ended up looking like a raccoon eyes, which is not so flattering and that looks weird. So keep it only here and don't take it all the way to the inner corners. Okay, now I am using the kohl pencil in my waterline as well. And also I will tight line my upper lash line. And now I will smoke out my lower lash line as well using that warm brown color which I previously used on my crease. Okay, so now this eye is done and I will come back doing this eye off camera. Okay, so now we are almost done. The only thing left is applying the lipstick. So because we have done a smoky eye today, so I'll keep my lips very nude. So for that I'm using this brown nude color. And to tone this down a little bit more, I'll use a little bit of concealer. Oh, I forget the highlighter. So the only step which is left is a highlighter, and for that I'm using Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. And I will take a tapered brush and apply the highlighter. And also I will highlight my inner corner using the same highlighter. And for that I'm taking a small blending brush and I'll apply the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. So yeah, with that the makeup is all done. I'm not going to set it because of course I'm going to remove it anyway after shooting this video, and you just need to set your face and go whenever you want. I think this is a perfect party makeup, and also you can wear this with several outfits. I hope you like this makeup look. And if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment down below saying how much you like it, if you want to see more of these videos or not. And also you can follow me in my social medias. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.